Just in time for summer, Nike Sportswear unveils a new black and green version of the Air Max 1. The colorway subtly nods to the iconic 2007 Hungarian foreign sex Nike collaboration known as Hufquake, which honored the 100th anniversary of the 1906 San Francisco earthquake. While this latest iteration doesn't carry the same historical reference, its two-tone palette mirrors the classic black and green bean aesthetic. Unlike the Hufquake's cracked overlays, this pair features a more traditional construction with mesh, suede, and leather for a clean, lifestyle-focused look. The silhouette maintains its familiar design but interestingly reverts to the standard-sized Air Max bubble used over the past 3 decades, stepping away from the recent big bubble style seen in other retro releases like the Air Max 95. Though official release information is still pending, you can enjoy an early look at the refined black and green Air Max 1 in the meantime.